Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here. Today we're going to be making vegan no meatballs. What do you guys think about that? Wow. I knew you'd like it. Yes, we're going to be able to have the classic spaghetti and meatballs now, but the vegan version. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will also list all the ingredients down below the video. Just to clarify, if you have Italian seasoning, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of that. But if you don't have a spice called Italian seasoning, then you'll have to recreate your own Italian seasoning using the combination of spices below. We are only making the no meatballs with this recipe. I use store-bought sauce because it is cheap and delicious. You can use any pasta that is vegan. Make sure you wash your lentils before you use them. Add some oil to a pot and cook the onions for 1 minute on medium heat. Add the garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 or 2 minutes. Add the Italian seasoning, veggie better than bouillon, uncooked lentils, 3 cups of water, and stir to combine all the ingredients. Bring to a boil and then turn the heat to low. Put a lid on the pot and simmer until all the water is absorbed by the lentils. That'll take about 20 minutes. While the lentils are simmering, we will make our flax egg. This will be our binder. Grind some flax seeds in a coffee grinder and then combine 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds in a small dish with 1/3 of a cup of water. Stir and put in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to let it firm up a little. Grind 1 cup of nuts in a food processor. I used almonds because that's what I have, but you can use any combination of nuts that you have. Bonus tip, if you don't have a food processor, you can put the nuts in a Ziploc bag, place the bag on a hard surface like a cutting board, and lightly pound the nuts with a hammer. Don't laugh, it actually works. I had to do it before I had a food processor. Combine the lentils, flax, egg, and breadcrumbs in a large mixing bowl and stir to combine all the ingredients. You might have to add some additional breadcrumbs if the mixture is a little too wet. Once everything is well combined, I recommend putting the bowl in the freezer for 10 minutes. When the mix is cold, it will be easier to shape the no meatballs and they will hold together better. Put some parchment paper on a baking sheet and spray it with a little bit of oil. Using your hands, form the lentil mixture into no meatballs and then spray the tops of them with a little bit of oil. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, until the top of the no meatballs are browned, about 20 minutes. Then turn them over and bake for another 10 minutes. Congrats! You just made vegan no meatballs. Wow! Delicious! Please let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe, and if you like this video and you want to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe. Thank you and bon appetit!